Good morning, children. We are continuing word problem from quadratic equation only. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish the piece of the work. If both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. So A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B. So we will take that the number of days taken by B to complete the work is X only. B takes X days to complete the work, meaning the work is completed. It is equal to complete work done, that is equal to 1. So B's 1 day's work equal to 1 by X, right? Now A takes less than 6 days than B. So we'll write here A takes X minus 6 days. To complete the work. Work is completed, so it is equal to 1 only. So A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by X minus 6. Now what is the total work of A and B's 1 day? So if A and B together work, A and B together work, then what is their 1 day's work? Equal to 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6. Now according to the question, 4 days work means they are completing. In 4 days are required to complete the work by both A and B. So what is the meaning? 1 day we are having 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6. Now 4 day if they worked means what is the meaning? The work is completed. So 4 into 1 day's work means 4 into 1 plus X by X minus 6 equal to the complete work done, that is equal to 1 only. This type of the question, the complete work is represented by 1. So 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6 equal to 1 by 4. Now take the LCM. X minus 6 plus X divided by X into X minus 6 equal to 1 by 4. So X and X means 2, X minus 6. Cross multiply means 4 will come here. 1 into X square minus 6X. So we are having, so expand with the 4 only this. So 8X minus 24 equal to X square minus 6X implies 0. X square minus 6X minus 8X plus 24. X square minus 14X plus 24. Easily we can do, that is 24 factorization only, but I will change this as a 14X plus 24 equal to 0. Now we can go for factorization method, but I prefer to do today quadratic formula because last whole class we have done by factorization only. So some of the questions we need to do by quadratic formula for doing some practice. So we prefer A equal to 1, B equal to minus 14 and C equal to 24. So B square minus 4AC. B square is minus 14 square, 4 into 24, 196 minus 96 equal to 100, right? Now x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b means 14 will come because minus of minus 14 plus or minus root 10 100, root 100 divided by 2 into 1, that means 14 plus or minus 10 divided by 2. So 14 plus 10 by 2, 14 minus 10 by 2, so 24 by 2 and 4 by 2 implies x equal to 12 or x equal to 2. So which is not applicable here because a takes a less than 6 days. So when we are taking the 2 less than 6 days is not possible. So what is the value is correct? A b takes a 12 days and a takes a 6 days only. So that is why 2 is eliminated here. So what we should write here? So x equal to 2 means we have seen that we will write here x cannot be taken less than 6. Therefore, b alone can finish the work. In 12 days. Only that is asked here an answer. Therefore, A can finish the work in 6 days. Two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours. The tap of a larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the tank, the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 integer 3 by 8. Now what is the lesser hours? Larger diameter of the pipe means it is 10 hours less the smaller pipe. So what we have to take means we will write that the larger pipe solution, larger pipe fills the tank, but we should write the larger pipe take x hours to fill the tank. We will use the same method only, it will be equal for you. So in 1 hour it can fill the tank equal to 1 by x part, right? Part of the tank. Now what is the next? If it is x, what is the time taken by the smaller pipe? It is more than 10 will be taken. So I will write here smaller pipe takes x plus 10 hours, or y also we can use to fill the tank equal to 1. So in 1 hour it can fill 1 by x plus 10th part of the tank, right? If two pipes together opened for 1 hour, then it can fill equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10th part, right? Now what is the question? According to the question, in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours taken by both the pipe to completely to fill the tank. That is 9 integer 3 by 8 into 1 hour work equal to complete work. So it is 75 by 8 into x plus 10 plus x divided by x into x plus 10 equal to 1. 75 by 8 I am taking to this side. So this implies 2x plus 10, right? X square plus 10x equal to 8 by 75. What is the next step? We have to cross multiply. So 2x plus 10 into 75, 8 into x square plus 10x. So 150x plus 750 equal to 8x square plus 80x. Now we are bringing all the terms to one side. 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 equal to 0. So 8x square minus 70x minus 50x minus 750. So if you simplify, it is equal to 70x minus 750 equal to 0. We can cancel by 4. So 2. That means 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Okay, because it is a minus 150, so minus only. We have cancelled with the 2, so the terms are 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. I am going for factorization because the number is 375 into 4 only. So your factors are 60 and 25. Equal to 0. So 4x into x minus 15 plus 25 into x minus 15 equal to 0. So 4x plus 25 into x minus 15 equal to 0. So x equal to 15 or minus 25 by 4, which is cancelled, right? So the larger pipe takes 15 hours, therefore smaller pipe takes 15 plus 10 equal to 25 hours to fill the tank. Separately, usually this type of the sum, that is 2 pipes and all, the children feel little bit difficult. So one more similar sum I am giving here. 2 pipes running together can fill a tank in 3 integer 1 by 13 minutes. If one pipe takes 3 minutes more than the other to fill it, find the time in which each pipe can fill the tank. Okay, next we will take that let x minutes taken by first pipe to fill the tank. That means complete work done is over. Now in 1 minute it can fill 1 by x part. Similarly, x plus 3 minutes taken by second pipe to complete the tank, complete the work done or filling the tank equal to 1. Therefore, in 1 minute it can fill 1 by x plus 3 part. What is the next? Both pipe opened for 1 minute. Then it can fill 1 by x plus 3 part. According to the question, I am not writing the sentence, we already know that 3 integer 1 by 13 minutes into 1 by x plus 3 equal to complete work done. So what is 3 integer 1 by 13? It is 40 by 13. I take the LCM here, x plus 3 plus x by x into x plus 3 equal to 1. So 2x plus 3 into 40, I will keep here 13 into x square plus 3x. So that means 80x plus 120 equal to 13x square plus 39x. So 13x square plus 39x minus 80x minus 120 equal to 0. 13x square minus 60, 39 and minus 80 is 41x minus 120 equal to 0. So as usual, the factorization we can go, other quadratic formula we can go. So I will do directly 13x square minus 65x plus 24x minus 120 equal to 0. So what is common here? 13x minus 5 plus 24 common, again x minus 5 equal to 0. What is the common number here? Factor, not number, factor. So x minus 5 into 13x plus 24 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 24 by 13. This implies which can be applicable? 5 only, and this is not possible. So what we can write? First pipe take 5 minutes to fill the tank, and the second pipe take 5 plus 3, that is 8 minutes to fill the tank. I hope you can understand this question now clearly. So practice more as usual, I say, because this type of the questions usually they will ask in the question paper, and the children will do some problem with this type of the questions. So practice more with this. Today's class I'm winding up. Thank you.